Hello friends, with an objective of one nation, one market, one tax, Government of India has introduced the goods and service tax. This is one of the remarkable and most ambitious tax reforms in India since independence. This is one of the uniform integrated tax reforms in India since independence. Goods and service tax. If you're working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, doesn't matter what size of business you have, whether you are in a large, mid or small, for each of the business component, you have to follow the compulsory rules of goods and service tax in your business. If you are not running your business with the goods and service tax, you might be able to run your business today, but it is very much sure that tomorrow your business will not be get it run. This is how the GST is providing the mechanism to run your business. This is not for a short term. I just wanted to keep here in your knowledge that why GST? What are those reasons that GST is mandatory for the India? So I want to break down the 5 reasons that can help you to understand the reasons for the introducing of GST in India. The number 1 is the by subsuming a large number of central and state tax and introducing a common single tax, which is goods and service tax. If you see the erstwhile taxations, there are around 12 taxations that has been subsummed and introduced a single tax, the goods and service tax. What are those taxations that has been subsummed? Central excise duty, additional custom duty, service tax, sales tax, VAT, octroi, entertainment tax, entry tax, and the other tax might be. These all are the taxations that has been subsummed and introduce a single tax, which is the goods and service tax. In goods and service tax, you have to really make it sure that you are complying for all those, the returns, the payment, and that is only for the one time in a month. Might be for a quarter for the different class of taxpayer, but it is a single tax return. It is a uniform tax return that the entrepreneur and the business owner need to make sure and follow that. This is how the simple by subsuming the large number of central and state tax. With this, the second reasons for introducing of GST in India is by eliminating the cascading effect of the taxations. If you see the erstwhile taxations, there was a concept of tax on tax. Now, how it was a burden for the entrepreneur and the business owner to run their business, how it was a problem to increase the rate of the product or the goods because of the tax on tax. Now, it is completely removed in goods and service tax. Eliminations of the cascading effect of the tax is no more relevant in goods and service tax. It means goods and service tax is to be levied on the value additions part of the services or the goods only. There is only one burden who can carry ultimate, the consumer. All those mediator will just passes the credit, avail the credit, and do not add those credit as a cost in their productions. With this, the third reason, which is one of the most important reasons from the government point of view, to curb the tax evasion. Now let you understand this. India is a developing country. India, the peoples, the entrepreneur and the business owner have a firmly belief that nothing would be changed in India. The business, the way the large corporations are doing, they have a systematic teams, technology and approach, but when it comes to the small and medium sector, they will do their business as usual there it is going on. Now the concept of to curb the tax evasions, government is trying to bring the lot of the business holder to come and follow the categories of the goods and service tax, come in the ambit of the goods and service tax. So this is how the mechanism to curb the tax evasion that government has introduced. You will not surpass your tax. You will not waive your tax. You have to be compulsory apply if you are genuinely doing your business and you are just passing those credit to your customer with the genuinity and the accuracy. To curb the tax evasion is one of the most remarkable objective of the government, because the way the peoples are doing in the business, it was a problem for the government. It was a problem for the tax department, that most of the manual interventions was created a problem, and the department or the government was not able to find. But if you see in GST, this is a complete auto populations and automations through the digital. So you cannot escape to your tax liability by issuing the tax invoice to your customer. You have to simply pay the tax. So now in the government treasury, there are more tax in the name of goods and service tax. With this, the fourth reasons, this is one of the again most remarkable and ambitious reasons to introduce the tax GST in India, is to improvisations of logistic and transport business. Earlier, what was happened? Then there was an entry tax, road tax, permit tax, and it all was manual. Now the government, with the concept of viable, has completely removed all those barriers. The entrepreneur and the business owner who are in the operations of the logistic, transport and courier business are being able to drive their business effectively without any barrier, without any interventions. They have to simply follow the concept of viable and can run their business effectively. With this, the fifth reasons, this is for the easy of doing business. Let you please understand, when you go erstwhile the taxations, how many taxations was there? When you're trying to sell the product, you need to have a VAT and GST registrations. Parallelly, you are doing the services, you must have a service tax registrations. There were more compliance, there were more returns, more work that you have to do, and accuracy level was completely low, because there was no any automations, there was no this through the system, all those the manual interventions. So the manual notice assessment, the entrepreneur and the business were receive more. Now in this, the easy of doing business is very easy. You simply go and register your business in GST, start your business effectively, pay the tax genuinely, do the business with accuracy, and improve your business where you want it to go. This is how the platform the Modi government has given to the entrepreneur and the business owner. Now in your hand, this is the opportunity that how you are going to avail this and improving your business, enhancement, the productivity and scalability of your business. This is up to you, my dear friend, if you are working as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. Goods and service tax, treat is as a good and simple tax. It is providing you with a large number of opportunity over the period of the time. And please make a note that goods and service tax is not a choice. Today or tomorrow, you have to become under the ambit of goods and service tax. Otherwise, your business will be shut down. Your business will not be longer period of the time. Because if you are not following the GST rule, you are going to be complete out from your business. So these are the 5 reasons that you have to keep in your mind, that goods and service tax is one of the remarkable and ambitious tax reforms in India. This is how the concept of the goods and service tax is. You please carry on with me. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.